Yeah, yeah. It's your boy Kings. Let's go. These new kids don't even drop 4 albums no more. Drop 1 or 2 tracks and pray that they blow. Rappers can try to cry me out, still the show, but King's track still hit #1, bro. Billboard in your foreign girl city lights. She sliding in my DMs late at night. White, black, everybody bumping my vibe. My songs go super hit while they movies die. Sitting in the spotlight, acting ain't my game. Other rappers acting hard, but it's all the same. These clowns just get fines, never real flames. Gangsta shit only shows up in they video frames. Girls taking selfies, making that pout. Crowd goes crazy when I step out. They don't even know what the fuck it's about. This one's a big shout out to all the haters out. I got clout in the fame too, boy. They losing their mind, this ain't no game, boy. I got clout in the fame too, boy. They losing their mind, this ain't no game, boy. I got clout in the fame too, boy. They losing their mind, this ain't no game, boy. I got clout. You blow up just from my name, boy, yeah. That's why I don't even say your name, boy. 30, 40 dudes waiting outside my gate, going crazy about the price of my next stage. Kick your favorite rapper right in his chest. Get on your knees if you want forgiveness. Why you poking the sleeping lion anyway? I tore the whole competition apart today. Spending money like it grows on trees. King's gameplay got ops on their knees. One time with a girl, she can't forget the vibe. Talk mature, she leave that schoolgirl life. What you offering? She don't even want. She's a flower, but she ain't no fool, boy, nah. Every time I whip change, it's a new flex. S-Class, G-Class, sometimes range, no stress. They say my demands are kinda strange, but whatever I ask for, it gets arranged. I got clout and the fame too, boy. They losing their mind, this ain't no game, boy. I got clout and the fame too, boy. They losing their mind, this ain't no game, boy. I got clout and the fame too, boy. They losing their mind, this ain't no game, boy. I got clout. You blow up just from my name, boy, yeah. That's why I don't even say your name, boy. It's your boy Kings. Yeah. Clout.